In today's video, we are going to show you what Sketchwow is, what it does, and how you can start using it step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If you create content, presentations, videos, or marketing materials, this tool might save you a ton of time because Sketchwow is an AI-powered visual content tool that helps you create hand-drawn style sketches, whiteboard visuals, and illustrations without needing any design skills. Now, it's perfect for YouTube videos, online courses, making marketing presentations, and other social media visuals because instead of drawing everything manually, Sketchwow does the work for you. Now, if you haven't signed up to Sketchwow yet, this is a golden opportunity to make sure to use the link which is given down below in the video description. You have two options. You can go for the monthly subscription or the lifetime one-time payment. It's up to you. For example, we chose the first option and it will forward you to a new page wherein you need to provide some credit card details. But if you are sure that Sketchwow is going to be the right platform for your business needs, remember to use our affiliate link, which is given down below in the video description. Having said all of that, once you created your account here, you will receive a welcome email confirming your purchase, along with a direct link to download the software. Please do not share this link with others, and once downloaded, you simply have to install the Sketchwow and follow the on-screen instructions. Once installed, you will see four options in the left side area. The new option shows the latest sketches, scenes, and assets that were recently added. You can create a custom size if you wanted. And then the new using AI is a new feature designed to save you time, which helps generate the visuals faster because you can use an AI prompt here. For example, if you want to create something here, you can generate using this limited 150 credits by default. Okay? If you want, you can also attach a file so that it could give you a modern, polished sketch design. This is kind of great if you want quick results without starting from scratch. And of course, the results is kind of depending on the complexity. Okay, so you have the ability to edit or save it. But for now, I'm going to skip this. Instead, I'm going to show you the recent option, which shows the projects, sketches, or templates you worked on the last project. And of course, the templates contains ready-made sketch layouts you can customize. Now, this is my preferred method so that I don't want to start from scratch. Okay, so you have all these options for you. You can begin with maybe a content marketing, 5-step brainstorm. Basically, there are thousands of templates you can choose from. Okay, and we're going to begin using the first option, which is the Sketchwow tutorial. If you click on it, you will be forwarded to the Sketchwow editor. Okay, so we're gonna skip that for here. And then you have the ability to replace the text, images, or scenes by using the tools in the left side area. Number one is gonna be the select button. As you can see, you can drag your mouse here, or you can use the S on your keyboard. Okay, if you do, you can select a specific element that you want to replace or edit or modify. For example, this one right here. You see that? Not only you can select it, you have the ability to modify by creating or selecting a different color. You also have the option to say you wanted to make it bigger. Okay, you can use the font size if you want, the opacity, and remember, you are not limited with your imagination and you can be creative as much as you'd like. Now, the circle button gives you the ability to rotate your information or text depending on your preferences. If you want to put that here, you can do so. And then the next one is going to be the elements. Elements are basically shapes and things that you can add to your design. For example, if you wanted like a frame, you can simply select the shape that you want and drag and drop it on your canvas. You have the ability again to resize it the way you wanted. Okay, rotate it, change the color, even the fill style. It's up to you. And then here, the line is something that you might want to add as part of your creative style. If you create a stroke, you can reduce the opacity and the stroke width. As you can see, everything changes, right? And of course, if you wanted to add more text along the way, you can do so. Now, for you to be able to add more text here, let's say this one, you can simply select the element and replace it with anything that you wanted. And then the background, right now we are using a plain background, but if you want to replace it, it's very easy. You can use any of the following default images that is available here in Sketchwow. Of course, you can also change the pattern if you wanted. For example, this becomes this one. And when you're happy, you see that there is the pencil icon. The pencil icon gives you the ability to create or draw something here. Now, you see, you can change the stroke width. Let's say I am going to create like something here out of the blue if you wanted to work with your design. Okay, and then of course after that is going to be the add image. If you want to add your specific image, you can do so. Once you've added the image, you have the ability, of course, similar to any elements, you can move it along here and resize that to fit your design. Okay, and then the template section gives you back to the home page. If you feel that the template that you chose is not working, maybe it lacks the creative element that you wanted, so you can choose in the left side like animated content. You have a brainstorming, visual content, diagrams and flows, infographics, journeys, presentations, process maps, mind maps, teaching, Venn diagrams, UI wireframes, and technical. So you have so much options at your disposal. If we go to the presentation, for example, we use this presentation. Similar to the option earlier, you can use what you learned earlier. You can replace all these here on Sketchwow. Now, once you are happy with all of the things that you have created here on your canvas, you have two options on the top right corner. You have to check if you want to see some presentations, you can do so. And then you also have the ability to animate. You can add an effect right here. For example, you can set a effect of after with maybe a delay for a few seconds, and then you can set the duration here. For example, let's say this becomes this and the delay is around maybe 9. Okay, and then if you try to play that, we should see the effects here right away. And if you wanted to have more control over your elements on your canvas, the options here at the top right corner gives you that. For example, if you want this number or this specific element sent on the backward, you can do so. This one sends forward. You see that? It changes, right? You have the ability to bring it forward, bring it back. You also have the ability to copy that as well. So there are a lot of options that you can do here. Now, once you're happy with your design, go to the file section. You have multiple options here. If you want to check the document size, you can do so. Or if you want to copy that as an image, you also have the ability to do that. But the most important part is exporting this to your client or to your maybe colleague if you are part of a collaborative environment. You have multiple formats that you can export this, like PNG, JPEG, GIF, SVG, and PDF. And of course, you have the option to set the quality and size of that file and click the export button. Now, having said all of that, basically that's what Sketchwow is and how you can use it step by step. As you can see, Sketchwow is very user and beginner friendly, especially if you're just starting out and want to create eye-catching sketch-style visuals without spending hours designing or learning complicated software. Sketchwow is definitely worth checking out. While it might not replace advanced design tools for complex projects, it's an excellent option for creating quick, clear, and engaging visual content, which is also a great alternative to Canva. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button and drop your questions in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Remember, if you haven't signed up for Sketchwow yet, make sure to use the link in the video description below. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.